Hi guys, welcome to a new episode of ME Basics. Today we are going to talk about friction. Consider a time you want to pull your washing machine and it is as hard as it is caused by no one but this guy. The red force shown in the picture, and it's called friction. Every time that you have two surfaces that they have contact, this stupid guy appears and ruins everything. Let's have a closer look. Now you can see that there are some ups and downs on both surfaces. When you want to pull one of them, the other one doesn't let. But as like as every bad guy, the friction has a hero side too. It might happen to you, a moment that floor was wet or slippery and you wanted to walk like a normal person does. But when you opened your eyes, you was upside down. So remember him every time you walk. Another application of friction is when a Ferrari car wants to turn in a circuit. In normal conditions, it goes like a snake, but in the rain, only God can help them. All caused by lack of friction. Now, do you remember the washing machine? We want to see how much we should get push so that the washing machine gets moved. Before that moving happens, as much as you push, friction pushes too. Like it grows with you. Ha 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 ha. But at a point, your power overtakes and you can beat friction. Remember, the moment that the machine moves, friction force's value fixes at a constant number. As you can guess, friction force depends on two things: smoothness of the surface and weight of the object. It's obvious that it's easier to pull a chair rather than a refrigerator. And it's easier to pull it on ice rather than floor. Thanks for watching this video. It was about friction. See you later.